Hey guys, how are you today? I'm just doing an experiment, guys, with my portable jump starter. I did a review on this item before, guys. Let's see how long this thing is going to run this 38 litre Engel fridge in the back of my Pajero, guys. Just solely on this. There's no need for me to lie about it, just for curiosity. Now, as you see, I've just charged the unit up to 100%. So I'll disconnect this unit. I'm gonna see how long it runs my 38 litre Eclipse Engel fridge. I'll just show you the temperature of the fridge. I've got a... Okay, there's the temperature of the fridge. There's the temperature outside, it's 23. In the fridge is 24.8 degrees. I will have this meter hooked up to this, which will be connected into the fridge. Okay guys, first I'll connect, because I've got an Anderson plug on my fridge, I'm gonna have to just do a bit of bodgy work here, I know. Okay, there's the outlet to the cigarette lighter. Show you this over here, guys. I just can't, I don't have enough lead. Right, I'll set the fridge on about, say, just what I normally set it on. So that's what I normally have it on. One fridge, guys, it's not powered on at all. Okay, I'll close the lid. Okay guys, I've just switched the unit on. Now, hopefully that's readable. Okay, I'll turn the fridge on. Okay guys, the time was 8:23 AM when I switched this on. I'll come periodically check how this is going. So that's on 100% now. You can probably hear the fridge humming along. Okay guys, exactly 1 hour now. And the fridge has just cycled off. And you can see the percentage is dropping down on the little jump starter there. Just see there, it's 48% now. And the temperature in the fridge, so as you see, there's the dial. That's where I normally have it for my beer. So you got to take into account, guys, if it's a hotter day, you won't get as good, but if it's a cooler day, you'll get better. In 2 hours and 15 minutes to this point here, and the jump start pack is down to 17%. I got tied up doing things and yeah, I forgot all about it. Okay guys, 2.5 hours it's been. It's down to 10%. A little box like this, that's unbelievable. 2.5 hours, this box has powered this fridge from standing still ambient temperature, guys. That's from ambient temperature that fridge was on. But I'll let it go. I'll see if it will make 3. I don't think it will, but I'll see. Okay guys, we'll call that quits. It's 3 hours. She's down to 1%. So that is it for this. I'll take this inside, put it on the charger. I've stopped it at 3 hours, so it would have kept going. You probably would have done another few minutes out of it. I don't know, another 5 minutes. Okay, guys, that's pretty impressive for something this size. I'll give it a comparison against my phone. That is an iPhone XS Max. And you get a load of the size of it, guys. You look at the difference in size. Like, that's how big it is compared to the iPhone XS Max. It's about 4 times the thickness. That's with a little cover on it. So it'll be about 45mm thick, this device. And it's the width of the iPhone, like going across, but it's a little bit longer. So it's equivalent to the size of the old, I don't know if you remember the old brick phone, the old brick mobile phones. That's probably the size of this thing, guys. So for 3 hours, let's say 3 hours, it would have went another 5 minutes more. I don't know. It's on 1% now. So I'll chuck it on the charger. There it is there. She's on charge. It takes, I think it takes 4 or 5 hours to charge. Well, this will take a while to charge, but anyway. So yeah, guys, it's very impressive for what this is. It powered my Engel fridge for 3 hours, so that's not bad at all. That's on the setting between 1 and 2, but also going by the ambient temperature. It was 27, well, it's 27 now. When I started, it was about 23 degrees. So, of course, if it's hotter, it's not going to go as good, but in the cooler temperatures, it'll probably do better than 3 hours. But yeah, guys, that's pretty impressive. So yeah, this thing's a bloody winner. I reckon this thing's awesome. From itechworld, guys, it's fantastic. Like, to start your car when you're in trouble, or you can use it to power your devices. You know, you can charge your iPads, whatever. You know, it's fantastic. I did do a review on this, and I showed it actually starting a car. So yeah, good piece of kit, guys. Excellent from itechworld.com.au. Bloody fantastic, guys. Really, really good. I truly swear by this product, guys. It is fantastic. Really good. And full credit to these guys. itechworld, guys. I think it's a family-owned business, I think. I'm not too sure. I don't know anything about them. But anyway, thanks for watching. And until next time, guys. Cheers. Bye.